This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gemini man interested. To begin, focus on captivating his sharp mind with stimulating conversation and a genuine curiosity about the world. Demonstrate your independence and a vibrant enthusiasm for new adventures, as he values freedom. Keep a touch of mystery about yourself. Reveal your layers gradually to maintain his intrigue and ensure he always has something new to discover. This initial approach is key. To sustain a Gemini man's interest, consistently offer variety in your shared activities and conversations. He thrives on mental stimulation, so introduce diverse topics and perspectives to keep his quick mind engaged. It is crucial to give him ample personal space and avoid any hint of possessiveness. He values his freedom above almost everything else, so respect his need for independence and social interaction with others. To deepen your connection with a Gemini man, embrace spontaneity and be adaptable to last-minute plans. He dislikes rigid routines. Share your thoughts and feelings openly and honestly, as he appreciates genuine communication and intellectual intimacy. Show sincere appreciation for his unique, often multifaceted personality, including his quick wit and changeable moods. Understanding and valuing his dual nature is a significant step toward a lasting bond. For a lasting bond with a Gemini man, continuously inject new adventures and experiences into your relationship to keep it fresh and exciting. Maintain open and honest communication about your needs and desires, fostering a strong foundation of trust. Fully embrace his inherent need for intellectual stimulation and extensive social interaction. Allowing him this freedom, while actively participating in his world, will ensure your connection remains vibrant and deeply satisfying for both of you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.